First of all, this is our 1010 product. This is imager. The hardware usage method is connect the data cable to our 1010. Connect your laptop to the other end. You need to check if there is a connection by looking at the device manager on your computer. See if one of our basilar cameras is connected. It's now connected. Our 1010. It needs to be imaged inwards. Yes, the imager needs to move on its own. All the object below is moving. We are now choosing the state in which the object is moving. The green color is the conveyor belt. Turn all halogen lights on. This is the state in which the object is moving. When the object is moved underneath the imager, the computer will also synchronize the imaging. Real-time spectral data can be obtained. First, find ATH1010 software in the installation packet. Open the data processing software. It has three main functions: preview mode, precision mode, and parameter setting. The parameter settings include the flight altitude, flight speed, frame rate and exposure time, etc. The saved data of the collected data can be changed here. Before you start using it, turn on the camera first. Tap data acquisition when the camera is turned on. In the corresponding file path, find the one you just generated. Image. Open in Envy. The resulting file is named in the format of time. After finding all files, open in Envy. Let's open the data we just collected in Envy. Because at the time of collection, a 95% reflective whiteboard was placed under the leaves. We export the spectral curve of the whiteboard. Then find the appropriate path. Open the one you just started. Spectral curves. Use the beta calculator feature. Enter the appropriate formula. Where RASI data is selected, original imagery. SR data, select whiteboard data. And enter the appropriate storage path. So we get the reflectance data. Let's take a look. Now the spectral curve of the image. Now the value of the y-axis has been convert to reflectance data. The corresponding leaf spectral curves are shown in feed.